as architects, we're always designing the set almost in the real world where life unfolds and stories get told. I get a kick out of like just thinking about that. I think what's cool about Programa is that it feels intuitive and it feels like it should have been there all along anyway. And so no one's like questioning it, which is the point of, I think, a good program. When you're doing the project, you're really just thinking about the design and you're entering information in a way that is sort of second nature at this point, and Programa sort of takes care of that. I've been doing this for a long time. And the issue with the spreadsheet is that there is no kind of assigned value. There is no institutional knowledge, meaning it doesn't carry from one project to another. And with Programa, I enjoy the most in the sense that I can sort of take a format from one project, move it into the next one, so there's consistency between each project. Schedule is the thing I use the most. It's just about organizing information in a kind of thought out way that Programa has already done for us. So that's sort of the heavy lifting component of it, and I'm just sort of entering the information. The fact that I'm able to send a link to a client and just be like, hey, can you sign off on this? And they literally have to go in and just say approve, approve, approve. We don't like that. Can we change that? Da, 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 da. All the information is in one place. At the end of the day, you look at the project and be like, we're happy with sort of where we started and kind of where we ended. Having a vision in the beginning and then being able to carry through the sort of design and construction phase of it and having a steady kind of handle on that is, I would say, the key to success. And using Programa, I would say, is proof, and I think that's really fantastic.